how to add music to Facebook posts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a song to a post that you make within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app and from the home screen, select what's on your mind at the very top of the app. And then we just need to add the content that we want into our post. So text, pictures, things like that. Once you've done that, it might be a little bit different depending on your phone, but on an Android or Samsung phone, select at the bottom the little three dots and then select music. Once this opens up, you can search at the top for a song or genre. You can preview the song by selecting play, and then you can select the song by selecting it right there, and that'll add it to your post. On iPhone, it's a little easier. You just select music right below your profile image and above the text in the post. So once you do that, it'll add the song. As you can see, you can view the actual album art. And now if I select post and go to my profile on Facebook, if I scroll down, the latest post is going to be the one that I made, and it has music. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.